Speaking of reasonable care, let me so if again you are not by any means required, but customs in your practice as you move forward. I just dropped down the link for this particular page. Uh, though these guys are informed compliance, so ICP publications, and what they do is they expand. It's kind of like they provide a thoughtful analysis of customs as an agency on various particular aspects of life within CBP. Consequently, within an exam too, but they go further into details. If you look at those ICPs, you'll find one which deals with customs. Let me see. So one would deal with customs broker, but there is one. This is the one that I wanted to bring your attention. Reasonable care. So if you click on that document and read through it, what every member of trade community should know about, they expand, the CBP expands their thoughts on what it means to be that reasonably prudent licensed customs broker to establish the level of care within the world. All right, so heavy stuff. I know that one little question, but it kind of like implies that you have to know this, and that. But basically, uh, they're looking for fraud, and this answer fits the bill because responsive to this particular section of the part of the appendix, and therefore answer choice A is the correct answer.